This is just a short tutorial to encourage you to take advantage of a lot of built-in interactive tutorials that Photoshop has introduced over the last 2 years or so. So this image is up on my screen here, and my workspace is set to Essentials. Down here, Essentials is here by default. So I just want to point out really quickly in this tutorial how to take advantage of this tutorial offering. So here in your nav bar, the top bar here, if you go to Help, go down to Hands-on Tutorials, and then you'll see that this offering comes up. You can scroll down, check this out. They don't have them all. If you want to view all, you click here and you get to all of them, or you go back. If you are relatively new to Adobe Photoshop, I encourage you to take advantage of these short ones. If you click on them, they will then have you start the tutorial. They will walk you through. They will point to the next step. They will highlight the tool. It's extremely useful. And because this software, like so many of the Adobe software, are so robust, this is increasingly a feature that Adobe is offering to help us all sort of learn as we're using this stuff, because it's always evolving and changing. So I just wanted to point that out, and I look forward to our time together in the Photoshop Bootcamp.